Hello friends, in this video we will see how we can insert nodes within the already drawn beam members. To explain this, let me use the structure wizard again. So go to geometry menu and go to run structure wizard. After that go to frame models. This time I will only use the floor grids. Double click on it and just click on apply whatever thing is available there and close this window and click on yes. Click on OK. Okay, we got a floor here. Now let us suppose that we got a beam here, right? Now let us suppose you want to draw a beam at a distance of 1 meter from here. So this span is 4 meter. Let us measure it from here to here. It's okay, so it's 3 meters. Okay, click here to remove all the nodes. Let us assume that I want a beam at a distance of 1 meter from this beam. For that I have to put a node here at a distance of 1 meter. I have to put a node here, then only I can draw it. Now to do that, what you have to do, you have to select this beam because I want to insert a node on this beam. Select this and after that go to geometry and click on insert node option. So this point is point number 1, this point is point number 2. How you choose it? Click on cancel. If you hover over this beam, you can see that here is you got a green color and here you got the blue color. The side on which the green color exists is your node number 1 or the lower node, and the side where the blue color exists is your node number 2 or the higher number node. Again select this beam and to insert the node you can use the geometry menu or just right click here and click on insert node option here also. Left click on it. Okay, from node number 1, that is this node, I want my node to be at a distance of 1 meter. It says in which proportion the node divides the entire structure, and after that click on add new point and after that click on OK. You can see that you got a node here. Similarly select this beam, right click on it and after that click on insert node. Distance is again 1 meter and after that click on add new point and click on OK. You got a node here again. And now what you have to do, you have to left click on this add beam option, left click on it and left click here and left click here. So you got a beam over here. There are other options of adding a node. Let us see them one by one. Now select this cursor, beams cursor, left click on it and select this beam over here. Okay, click on yes, left click on it and after that right click and click on insert node. Suppose that you want to add a node at the midpoint. Just in case you want to add a beam at the midpoint or at the center of that beam, it may be in the case of secondary beam. Click on add midpoint. Whatever the length of this beam will be, this node will divide that beam into half. Here you can see that the node has been placed at 1.5 meters from this node, that is at the center of this beam. Click on OK. You can see you got a node here and it has divided this beam into 2 individual beams. Suppose that you want to join these 2 beams. You accidentally split the beams and now you want to join them. So select these 2 beams, left click on it, after that press Ctrl and left click on it. After that go to geometry and after that click on merge selected members, left click on it and click on merge. Beam number to keep, which number you want to keep. You can see that 2 members are to be merged. member 2 is this member, member 44 is this member, and beam number to keep which number you want to assign the jointed beam. We want to name it as 2 and click on merge and click on close. You can see that the beam has been merged together. Also, let us see other options of inserting the nodes, and left click on it. Suppose that you want to split this beam into 3 equal parts. So what do you do? Right click on it. After selecting the beam, right click on it, go to insert node, and here n is equal to 2 means it will add 2 points at equal distance. So if we add 2 points, we will divide the beam into 3 equal parts. So we will use n is equal to 2 and click on add n points. Here you can see that it has added 2 points at equal distance from each other, and click on OK. Now the beam has been split into 3 equal parts, 1, 2 and 3. This is how you can use the insert node option command in STAAD Pro. Suppose that you got these 4 beams. Let me join these 2 beams. Select this beam. After that, select this beam by holding the control button on your keyboard and go to geometry option and click on merge selected members and click on merge and click on yes and click on close. You can see that the member has been merged. Now suppose that you got a single member from here to here. Now you want to split the member at this position. So what do? You select this node first. For that, choose the nodes cursor, left click on it, and after that select this node, and after that go to geometry, and from there go to break beams at the selected nodes, left click on it. You can see that one new beams created. Click on OK. Now if you select the beam by using the beams cursor, you can see that you got 2 different beams. If you go to geometry menu, you can see a lot of options that are available here: renumbering, splitting, breaking beams. I suppose that you have got a basic idea of what these actually mean. So I suggest you to play around these options, okay, by yourself. This will help you to enhance your knowledge and better learn these options.